Hello. Today I'm going to tell you about an adventure. So in Japan they have a place you can go to. It's a place that has many different activities that people enjoy. Some you may not enjoy, some you may enjoy. But please take a look and yeah, let me know if you would also want to go to this. recognition for that achievement. There you go. So that's Spo-Cha. For some reason, I used to always call it round one. Maybe it merged with Spo-Cha. It was good fun. What's it good for? It's good for people under the age of 20. It's fun with your mates, but it is a bit of a, a throwback to high school days. It's good for dates. It's good for, just something different. It's not every day you get to go to an arcade where you can play anything for free. You can do any sport you want. In Japan, where there's not much space, you're able to pretty much do everything within a 10-second walk from where you were before. We went on a day. It was a Monday. Actually, I'm lying. It was a Friday, which was also rainy during work hours, so it was not so busy. On the weekend, I think you don't want to be there. It cost about $40 US, £30 UK, 4,000 yen Japan, and that was for 6 hours of unlimited entertainment. Food and drink inside was quite cheap, maybe like $1, $2, something like that. Would I go there again? Possibly, with the right people. I think who you're with does make a big difference as to how much you're going to enjoy this place, unless you just happen to want to play arcade games, which actually they've somehow changed to make it so that you win more than you should. I was playing on the Initial D game. It was quite a close race, which is like a car racing game, until the last 20 seconds when the other car dropped back, so I always won. And it took me an hour to realize it. So I had an hour of fun. It's still good. Please go, please give it a try. I think if you're in Japan, it's definitely something that you want to experience once. They are located everywhere, so it doesn't matter where you are in Japan, you can find a round one Spo-Cha near you. This one was in Odaiba, which is like the East Bay area. It was famous for Gundam, which moved to Yokohama, but So thanks for watching. I know the camera work was awful. I'm working on that. I have a plan coming ahead to fix that. So cheers for your time. Take it easy and see you next time.